is the Claw, and today I will be unboxing the Flash Cube by Ion Audio. It is a wireless speaker with multicolored LED lighting. To start off, you can connect to it by using Bluetooth from any device that supports it, whether it be a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or any audio device that has the capability of streaming audio over Bluetooth. If your device doesn't support Bluetooth or wireless streaming, you can still use a Flash Cube by using the 3.5mm audio input for connecting non-Bluetooth players. Let's get into unboxing this thing. We have the Flash Cube, we have a remote, we have a 3.5mm cable, and some instructions over here. Okay, let's get into opening this thing up. Okay, this is upside down. Okay, this is the Ion speaker. I have just plugged in the Ion speaker and now we'll be setting it up. First we'll be testing out the aux cord and I'll be showing you how to plug that in. The aux cord is this little thing over here. It comes in the package with the instruction manual. You'll have to take it out of a plastic bag. Plug it in, you would have to go to the back of it. There's a slot for the aux. You plug it in right over here. And I'll be right back with my phone. I'm back and I have my phone connected to the aux cable right over here. To turn on the Ion speaker, you have to press and hold on the power button. It'll light up, and then all you gotta do is press play on your device. Okay, here's a remote for the device. With this remote, you can control the color that the device will show. Whether it be red, blue, green, orange, or any color you may choose. And there's also an option for the strobe light. Okay, let's start off with using red. Now we can use green, blue, yellow, and strobe. So overall the quality of the speaker is pretty good, but so far we've only done the aux testing. Now we will connect it via Bluetooth and we'll be right back. I have now connected my Bluetooth device with the Ion speaker, and now we will be testing it out. So I'll do is hit play. As you can hear, the quality does not suffer at all when you use Bluetooth versus the auxiliary cable. I mean, I've just unboxed this thing. I'll be testing it out for a couple of days and give you guys an update in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. And stay tuned for more videos. Stay awesome.